Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question of the day is pulling weeds better than spraying? This is a common question amongst gardeners. If you've ever pulled weeds before, you know it's a time-intensive and back-breaking project. It may be organic, but it's not usually the most effective. Most weeds that grow in your yards and gardens have roots that extend deep underground. When you're pulling the weed, you have to make sure that you're getting it all out, root and all. If the root snaps and is left behind, the weed can easily pop back up again. This is why spraying with a high-quality herbicide is the easiest way to go. Spraying with herbicides is fast, easy to use, and effective, kind of like a TV dinner. And if you use a selective herbicide, then you can kill the weed without hurting any of the plants around it. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Spraying herbicides are fast, easy to use, and effective, like a microwave meal, like a TV dinner.
TV dinner, that sounds nicer than microwave meal.
I grew up on Hungry Man, brother.